Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google AI Studio to your Android phone or your iPhone and use it as app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on here now and type in aistudio.google.com. Hit on search. That's going to take you right here. If for the first time you have not logged into Google AI Studio, you'll be asked to continue with your Google account. Just continue with your Google account and it will take you to your AI Studio right here. Now, for you to install it as an app on your Android phone or your iPhone, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner right here. I'm going to click on that. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on Add to Home Screen. Then you have it right here. Install AI Studio. Go ahead and hit on install. So go ahead and hit on install. So here we go. We have AI Studio app installed. So here we go. We have AI Studio installed. Click on it. Now you are here in your AI Studio app. It's that simple. So if I exit from here now, then go to my phone home screen. Here we go. We have AI Studio successfully installed on my Android phone right here. You can as well use this in your iPhone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google AI Studio, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.